Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighborhood hairdresser. And I'm going to show you a very simple way to do and how I do it if I'm in a rush or I like to take a bit off before I actually go to my barber's. So you're going to bring the hair system down and measure it to where your fade is or wherever your sides are. And then we are going to cut across. And we're going to do this the whole way around, using the front as a guideline. And this is just to get you by before you go to your barber's. So you're going to just bring it to where your fade is and bring it all around the back of the head. And I feel this is a really easy way for new users to be able to cut their own system easily if they are in a pickle. Okay, for the back of your system, super easy. You're going to take an elastic. I place it around the back of the system, making sure that you have all your hair in there. I like to use a bigger elastic to make sure that I don't cut past the point that I'm supposed to. So when you put an elastic, it's going to create a slight layer at the back of your head, and it's going to avoid you cutting the tape or lace or the base of your system. So you take your scissors, you bring it to the ponytail, and you cut across. Now, if there's any additional pieces or longer pieces, you can just simply follow your guideline, take a little bit off it. And then one of my favorite things to do is to do a top ponytail, and you're going to cut straight across. So you're going to leave out your sides because we want to create a layer. So you can leave about 1.5 inches of your hair system sides. Put it in a little ponytail on top. And what this is going to do is create a little bit of a layer on the top of this hair system. Make sure that you center it off as much as you can. Just like this. And then you're going to cut the top of the ponytail. Make sure you don't cut too much off. You can always go back in and cut afterwards. That's going to create a little bit more of a layer and movement. And then finally, you can just trim your bangs. So you're going to take it down at the very front and center. I like to stretch my bangs down just a little bit, then loosen them to make sure that they don't jump back up, because the tighter you pull it, the more you're taking off. So you're going to cut straight across, and if you feel you need a little bit more, you can do that again. So it's just going to hit at the eyebrow. And now you're ready to style. Okay, so this is the final result of the Super Skin V, and using all the amazing things that are in that starter kit. It's amazing. Look at this hairline. This is like next level. It's so realistic. Is this my real hair? It's so good. Well, big thumbs up for me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you really enjoyed that unboxing and were also educated. If you have any comments, make sure you put it in the comments below and answer any question you'd like. I'll see you all very soon. Bye!